2016 surefire hit, a technological marvel, groundbreaking. From the leader of enterprise mobile computing and creators of the first-to-market wearable computers, Zebra's total wearable solutions are the best hands-free devices in the industry today, guaranteed to turn your workforce into superheroes of productivity. Because when workers free up their hands, they can complete more tasks, and productivity goes through the roof. In fact, Zebra's multimodal wearable solutions increases workers' productivity by 15%, with 39% fewer errors than typical speech-only wearables. And they provide your staff with total mobility, because mobility is in our DNA. Literally. An Android-based OS reduces training time and increases operational flexibility. And Zebra's mobility DNA optimizes productivity and efficiency, simplifies device management, and delivers enterprise-class security. Think of it as the brains inside our device's brawn. What does it all mean? Better range, better motion tolerance, faster reads, better scanning performance. Of course, with great power comes great productivity. Did we mention a 15% increase in worker productivity with 39% fewer errors? These wearables absolutely wear out the competition with a tap-to-pair feature that expedites setup. Text-Speech Pro 4 for seamless speech-directed picking and multimodal applications. Swappable power precision plus batteries that simplify operations and amplify performance. The new total wearable solutions, only from Zebra. The best hands-free technology, hands down. Zebra. Visibility that's visionary.